if you look on this picture here, what they did, imagine there's like a wall, imagine house or bushes or something over there.
Close view.
And because of that, instead of putting the give way sign, what they have put it over there?
Stop.
Now whenever you see a stop sign, what does that mean for you?
We have to stop. We don't have parry.
We have to stop.
Yeah.
Now if you come here on your test day, as you're approaching slowly and you're gonna look right, left, ahead, if nobody there, would you need to stop or you can carry on going?
I can carry on going.
No.
No.
And
Even if there's no one coming.
this is very important to remember.
Okay.
If you're not going to stop, you will get a serious mark. It's a very strict order. So what
Is there any particular reason for that?
Yes. So why do you think that the council have to put a stop sign there rather than a giveaway line? Have you thought about that? Maybe that your view is too restricted.
Okay.
Maybe the risk of cars who's coming quite fast.
Yeah.
And if you go, maybe that after there might be road slightly bendy where your view restricted.
Okay.
So it's better to stop and do your forwards. What are they? Larger.
Yeah.
But examiner want to see
Yeah.
that a stop have taken place.
Yeah.
So you have got a giveaway line there. Now again, two options for you. So if you're approaching, now when you, let's talk about closed view. Is a closed view, so you stopped. Where would you gonna look first? Imminent danger coming from where for you? Remember the T junction we did?
It's coming from our right.
Coming from your right, because if you're gonna move out and there's a car coming quite fast, who's they're gonna hit first? You.
Who's coming out? Yeah.
Because you sitting this side. If nobody coming, then where would you look? On your
Left.
because how many lanes? Imagine you got 2 lanes. How many lanes are we crossing? 2 lanes. Because imagine if I make a line in the middle and before you go, you quick glance ahead as well. And if all clear, then you would go. There's so many scenarios in this one which I need to speak to you. Now if you are turning left, same thing, closed view, you're gonna stop, and where you're gonna look first?
Right.
Then
left.
And then
Straight ahead.
good, and then you will turn.
Okay.
Now you turning from lane A to the lane A, and sometime what happened, you look to the right and look to the left and nobody there, nobody's coming. You looked ahead and imagine there's a car who wants to go here, and you are turning to the left. Would you turn first or would that car go first? What do you think?
Would we turn first? Yeah.
Well done. Because this is not a roundabout. You see, this is what people get confused, because on the roundabout, if I put a roundabout here, and if you are going left and that car is coming here, who would go first in the roundabout? There you go.
Yeah.
But this one, you would turn first.
Okay.
Now, other scenario, if you are going right and you look to the right and look to the left, nobody's there, but there's a car. Let's say the car wanna go straight or the car wanna go into their left. Would you gonna go first or would they go first?
We would still go first.
Are you sure about it?
So if they're either going straight ahead, are they going straight ahead or they're going left?
Let's say they're going straight.
If they're going straight ahead, I would give priority to them.
Okay, so what if they are turning to their left and you going to the right? Who would go first?
They would also go first.
Yes, it's because their road.
They're entering A. Okay.
Absolutely. Does that make sense now? Any confusion on this so far? Bit